Okay. Pick one. Hurry. Okay. All right. Take the whole bag. That's all yours. Okay, number 2.
Dang, why you gotta be number 2?
Do you want hers or do you want something else?
I'm good.
Take something and open it.
Man. Well, this one's pretty heavy.
I don't know. Oh no, we'll be right there. Okay. It's supposed to, the rules are you touch it, you get it.
Oh, bro?
Yeah, fun. It's okay, go ahead. Next time.
Man, why did I make this so complicated? Oh, look at this. I guess I'm gonna spend my doing this then.
Oh, dang!
Okay.
What is that?
Number 3.
Gingerbread house.
Number 3 can take any of those gifts, or they can take a new one. That's me.
How many times can you get stolen?
2.
2
times. You steal, I steal more.
Steal mine?
I'm just kidding.
I will.
Gift. Oh my god.
The broom.
Come on.
The broom.
That's money.
Get
That's
card.
money, huh?
Yu-Gi-Oh card.
Oh my god, I would die if I would cry if I got Yu-Gi-Oh.
Money.
Oh, dang. Yes. Oh, I didn't even look at my number.
What is it? 4 is nice.
Gift card. Oh.
I love it.
Oh, great.
Let's try again.
I want to. Oh my god.
Hey, it's $15 pre-sale.
Okay, number 4.
That's more than.
Masquerade ball. Masquerade ball. Number 4.
It's more than $10.
Where's mine?
You guys should take it.
Where's my ice cream?
Already going.
Okay.
Take the broom. Take the broom.
You went outside.
Oh, you can steal it from her. You can go for free.
already
Where'd you
going.
put it?
You guys see Cha's ice cream? You go for free.
He took it and he don't know where he put
I'll pay
it.
the ticket.
What the hell you? Why did you give me the ice cream?
Oh, 8-1.
Yeah, open it.
Wait, when is it?
Where did you put it?
Sometimes it's very hard. Yeah, we have to find out.
You went out.
I'll let Sack City know about it.
Oh, okay. One more.
What?
Number 5.
Bye.
That's me.
Get the broom.
Oh, you touched the broom first.
I didn't touch it first. I put it together.
What's better, to steal a gift or to
I don't know. If you like something, it's good to steal.
Just
It's
rocks.
fun.
Oh, snap, you got shoes.
It's fun when you steal.
a box of rocks?
Yeah.
A box of coal. You're been a bad one.
I'm scared someone might take my gift. Whoa,
You got shoes.
Oh, sure. Oh, wait.
Whoa, dang.
That's
If a girl
sweatshirt.
got that.
Hold up.
And what does it say? What does the paper say?
Oh, no, there's something extra.
Wait, there's a paper in there. Read it.
And a water bottle.
It says, you just got full. Vaisiana, but can I get my stuff back? Your gift is under all of my stuff. Merry Christmas. Oh!
You can have the shirt.
I was like, what?
Okay.
Okay.
Is that your shot?
And you gotta keep the water bottle too.
Oh,
That's
that's
cool.
cool. Okay, I was like,
That's cool. Hold up. Okay,
Let's
so.
see.
Wow.
No, you can't have your stuff back.
So much water
That was a
bottle.
lot of work. Okay.
Whose is that? I wonder.
Yours.
Really?
I don't know. That's not mine.
I was like, what?
It's yours. Oh, fuck.
what is that?
Oh, cool spot therapy.
What the heck
It's
is
not
that?
very cool, guys.
What is the spot therapy?
Perfect for you.
It's only if you
It's like a
have.
massager.
Some, like a...
If you have
If
to-
you have
Okay.
a disease.
If you have
Number
any-
6. Wait, number 5? You're 5, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
5.
6.
Dang. I want to be a
thief.
I want to be a itch and just pick mine, but I'll go with
The broom.
Oh, why'd you pick yours?
because
That's yours?
No,
because if we don't do any stealing, we're gonna go a second round.
Really?
Really?
We have to?
Usually we should, but
We
I don't know
should?
if
We
we
will.
can we can just we can
Now let's do a
decide.
second round.
Where'd the broom go?
It was gonna try
Ah.
to it out a little.
Oh, dang.
I think it's chocolates.
Oh no, it's a royal.
It's cookies.
Oh, you're right. Open it, see what's inside.
Oh, it's and cranberry.
Maybe there's $50 inside.
No, it's not even open. Okay, number 7.
Yes. I
Steal
need to
or
see all
take?
the
broom.
Steal or take?
I know. I wanted to
You
know.
get last steal.
Whoa. No, still
Ooh.
me.
No, she gets last steal.
Yeah.
Wait, why?
Okay, if nobody steals.
I know who stuff's been going around.
Alright, shoot something then. Shoot
Oh
something.
snap! You got bands! Whoa!
Ow.
What size?
They're orange, they're yellow, they're pink.
Oh. How do you find us now?
Those are expensive.
What is that?
They are.
Oh, no, I don't want this notebook. I have nightmares.
What?
Snow globes? Remember my little incident?
Oh.
Okay,
Oh,
next,
yeah.
number 8. What? No, okay, we're almost done. Come on. Hurry.
We're gonna play this thing.
No, we're not. We can't. Come on, you guys.
That's
Okay, open.
cheating.
No, that's not cheating.
I want my own present.
That's the whole point. You want to get your own.
Slim.
I want my own
That's what
present.
Whoa!
Okay,
Bigger
okay.
version.
Oh,
I
deluxe.
think I wanted to do a second round. Okay. We're almost done. Yeah.
Give us 15 minutes.
Give us the keys. Yeah, we're going to clean. Sorry, you guys.
Max away for you guys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Get Max in here.
Okay. Go. What's the next number?
9.
Sorry, you guys.
9.
一边上，走。
Hurry, 9.
Oh yeah, we'll take the
别过来了。
The broom.
这样挺好。
The broom.
Take the broom. Take the broom.
It might be Yu-Gi-Oh
Hurry,
card.
Patrick. We gotta leave.
A 10 pack for Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
I knew you were gonna get the blue one.
Is it yours?
It was
No.
pretty nicely wrapped.
Why does nobody want my broom?
It might be Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
Oh, it's gonna take another 5 minutes for that.
See, Candy.
Hey,
What?
I got awesome.
Is it?
I kind of want to be candy now.
I feel special with
I don't
my
want candy.
Candy.
Famous old time
Let's
candy.
pick up our stuff.
I can't. I still Brandon.
Leave the door open.
10.
The broom. Don't take the broom.
That's gonna take a while.
Brandon, remember yours last year?
Go crazy on it. Go crazy on it.
Sorry.
Brandon doesn't know how to
I
wrap.
used all the wrap.
No, he always does. So it's like a whole lot of wraps.
Yeah.
I used all the wrap.
You used good wrapping too. The one where it's
Oh, yeah, it's good wrapping. That's the $3 one. That's all they had.
Oh gosh.
Get to the bottom.
This is a lot.
Just pull it out.
Just pull it out. This is a lot of. Oh, nope, never mind. Yeah.
Okay, next. 11.
Who's the
11.
Me.
You're my girl.
I'm not taking that. Sorry, Judy sister.
Yeah, you don't want the broom.
Oh, wait, are we done?
No, we still
Who's
have
last?
one. I don't know. No.
Who's
Johnny.
last?
Hey, like, you should leave right now. You should leave.
I gotta go. Now we have to do a second round.
Darn it, now I feel bad. Why does he have to take the rest? I feel bad.
No,
Sorry,
it's okay,
man.
it's okay.
Yes.
Make it back.
Oh, that's what I
I feel so bad.
wanted. Okay.
I knew I should.
Okay, now we can go around.
Stay with it.
We're gonna go one round, but it's still your first round. You want it straight?
Yeah.
Oh, Dave.
Uh-oh.
Get the bag.
Take the bag. Okay, do we do one round or no?
Hell yeah,
Yeah,
we do
let's
one now.
Let's
Okay,
do it.
let's do one. Number 1.
Wait,
You
wait,
already
wait.
Yeah.
You can go again later if you wanna like overall. But number 2.
Is this really thick candy or is there something else in here?
It's gone.
Do you wanna keep that?
I think it's something else.
That's pretty cool.
I'm changing it for my little nephew stuff right here.
Okay. Number 3.
Wait,
Wait, still
should I
close?
open this? I
Oh,
just
you didn't
see
open
candy.
it.
I thought it was just candy.
It is
No,
candy.
it's not candy.
It's tape.
It's just a box.
Maybe it's $50.
hurry then.
It's Chai.
It's not candy.
No, it's not. Just rip it.
OMG, you're taking the longest.
It's not candy.
There you go. No, it's not candy.
Are you sure it's not candy?
Yeah, it's a. It's a paper
Deodorant.
bag.
Is
It's
it
a,
shampoo?
no, open it.
It's a horn.
Paperweight.
That looks like one of those the toilet spray.
No.
You gave him your leftovers.
I bought it.
Oh, okay.
It's good. It has a filter, you guys. You guys
That's
can
tight.
filter toilet water and drink it.
Oh,
Man, I want to drink that.
That's my dream.
Oh, you can. We're going one more round. Oh wait, come here. Let me see yours.
Nice.
Okay, number three. Number three. Who's number three?
I'm number 3.
Who do you want? What do you
I
want?
know you can't trade because that's rude.
I'll take Anson's. Oh, Anson, you can tilt back in a bit. Number 4. You really take
I am.
4? You, if you want anything else, you want that back, you can have it back. If you don't, then you can take something else.
If you take this, you keep it.
Yeah, you do.
Only
You
do.
I'll take it.
Danny.
Okay, that's yours.
Okay.
Okay, number 5.
I want to still stolen.
I think I'm gonna go in that place.
Sorry, Patrick.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, 'cause it's
Pick up your
mine.
trash, you guys. Pick up your trash. Yeah, what's that one? The blue one.
That's all my gift.
Sorry. You didn't say sorry. Oh, sorry.
Okay. That one.
Bless you.
But then,
That one. No, if you steal this one, then it stays with you.
It's bigger.
Nobody wants to steal from. Nobody can take yours.
I feel so bad.
Let go,
Nas like hell no.
It's the meaning of my elephant.
You wanted a white elephant.
What's that do?
Number 6.
Nice. Kind of what you
Number
like.
6. Number
Sounds
6.
like elephant.
Hey, that's what I
No,
got.
I said what you get for
Sorry.
choosing my elephant.
Oh, no.
Who's number 6?
I got number 6 in your hand.
7.
Number 7.
Can I keep mine?
You can keep it. You can keep it. Okay.
What is
Number 8.
When you go home.
What is yours?
Number 9. Or that one there. Number 9.
I'm done.
That's done too.
Yeah.
You can't take that either.
Oh, number 9? Oh, what can I take?
You can take this.
You can
What else?
take. Okay, Max on stuff.
No, I want my filter.
Okay. Next, number 10.
Who's number 10?
Is it?
Judy? Judy's sister? Oh, okay.
Freaking nice, like I.
You sure
You have to give it up if she wants it. You really want it? Do you want hers? Wait, who's number 10? She's 10. Oh, she said? Oh, okay. You want to keep hers? Or you want to something
You
else?
should trade
What do you
them
want?
off.
Now,
Hey,
this one.
take
Yeah,
them.
this one.
Take them.
Brandon, why
This
did you take
is not
mine?
This is not takeable. It's done. It's done. It's done.
What is still takeable?
No, it's already been 2.
No, what is?
What is
Oh,
takeable?
that.
Put it up. Put it
that,
up. Put it up.
This.
Taking one.
Patrick, yours is not takeable. You kept
all
yours.
takeable.
Take second
No,
round.
his is takeable.
No, it's still takeable.
Yes,
Oh,
it's
what the
takeable.
hell?
Yeah, it's all right.
Oh,
That was a
yeah.
Wait, is
Oh,
mine
you
here?
want that? Oh.
No.
Oh, no. She wants it. She wants it.
Oh.
You want it? You feel bad? Okay, okay.
No,
Okay,
she's
nice.
taking it for
You
her
love
dad.
it. You love it. You love it.
9.
Okay, you love it.
Wait, what's still up? What's still up?
11.
Sorry, Patrick.
what's that?
Let's go.
I'll take this.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh,
Wait,
sorry, Patrick. Sorry.
Yeah, you guys can go.
Take that, take that.
12, 12, 12.
Hey, don't just
Fine.
stay.
Wait,
Get
who's
2
12?
ready.
I'll
You
take
did 2
Yeah,
already.
this one's 2. Then this one is done.
This one's done.
Don't take it from me then. She took her then. You got 2?
Wait, no, that wasn't stolen.
It wasn't stolen. It was given.
It was given.
Who
I
wants
stole
it?
it.
dance.
Number 12. Who's number 12?
I am.
Oh, good guys.
Oh, what is this?
All right.
That's the number 1. That's the number 1.
You have to go to the ball?
Oh, that's so
Tina, do you want anything else? Okay, we're done.
And a
That's all. That's for
third.
you.